Purasolve PS6 is a high-performance, heavy-duty parts washer that enables efficient and quick parts cleaning with unique safety features, including zero fire risk. It includes the following standard features: flexible stay-put metal flush hose for directable, hands-free flushing action, handheld brush attachment for detailed cleaning applications, removable drainage work shelf to allow for solvent runoff back into tank after cleaning, small parts soaking, cleaning and draining basket, sludge collector basket with dual element foam filter that provides initial sludge removal, dual microfiltration unit that polishes solvent, removing particles to less than 1 micron, bottom drain plug for convenient fluid changeouts, fusible safety link that closes the lid in the event of a fire, powerful 30 LPM centrifugal column pump, sturdy steel tank construction, hammer-tone powder coat finish for durability and long life. The integral microfiltration unit is specially designed to work together with the Purasolve parts cleaning solvents to reduce waste disposal costs and enable easier maintenance. When you use Purasolve safety solvents with Purasolve PS6 parts washers, the solvent can be filtered and reused for a minimum of 2 years. This provides significant cost savings in the amount of solvent purchased over time. Benefits claimed by customers using Purasolve parts washing systems include no toxic smell, does not cause headaches after prolonged use, cleaning capacity extremely better than other products, preservation of metal parts, does not cause skin irritations, smell does not absorb into skin and clothing, no need to use respirator, longer life expectancy of fluid due to filtration system, and much more. Call 1800 777 580 or email sales@envirofluid.com for inquiries.